Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the OBS Virtual Camera in the MEmu Emulator. Before we start, make sure you have OBS Studio and MEmu Emulator installed on your computer. First open your browser and search for DroidCam Virtual Output. Then open the official download page, click go to download and download the both drivers and the plugin. Once they are downloaded, install both setup files. Next, open OBS Studio. Click Tools and enable DroidCam Virtual Output. This will send your current OBS scene as a virtual camera. Now minimize OBS Studio and open the MEmu Emulator. Then launch the camera app and select Camera. If you have a physical webcam connected, you will see that the camera instead of the OBS output. If that happens, close the camera app and minimize MEmu. Then right-click this PC, select Manage and then open Device Manager. After that, find your webcam, right-click on it and choose Disable Device. Once that's done, close Device Manager and open MEmu again. Then launch the camera app and now you will see that the OBS Virtual Camera is working perfectly in the MEmu Emulator. And that's it. This is the easiest and most reliable way to use the OBS Virtual Camera in MEmu. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.